video I'd like to show you what happens to the body when exposed to Wi-Fi and cell phone signals, and what happens on several different levels, and then different types of devices that we were able to test that showed improvement. I basically had the Wi-Fi on my computer, and I had the cell phone in my side pouch, which was protected. It did have some protection around it with some silver lined material, but it wasn't completely protected, so there was still some radiation from that, as well as a router is about 7 to 8 feet away from me. So I did my heart variability rate, and I'm using the Dynamica unit from Russia with the BrainTap software, which is the same software from Dynamica, but it's been a little bit enhanced by BrainTap. So let's just have a look with the ChiOFi. I used the small ChiOFi ChiOrganizer with the chakra balance hologram inside of it, and we'll have a look at see how that produced changes. This is the actual ChiOrganizer, and as you can see, we went into the stable and almost optimal level, or between the stable and optimal level of the vegetative balance index. Total power went up quite a lot. It's not evenly balanced, but it definitely, the total power went up. Stress index went way down, as you can see, and I'll just go through these quickly, but amazing how much it got better. Look at the energy resources. Resources went way up. We're now in the optimal neurohormonal regulation. The psycho-emotional state went way up, so now we're in the basically in the optimal state of maximum balance. This was very interesting. So we have the biological age dropped to 32 years old, and my actual age is 64. So we've got a huge difference between the biological age and the physical age. And the level of harmonization went into the optimal level, right up here at maximum biorhythms. So the biorhythms really came up. Here we've got the overall functional state indices, and it's almost maxed out. I mean, it's very, very well balanced and lots of energy. Biorhythm, it's an average of those 3 or 4 different readings. And look at the spine. This one really actually surprised me. The spine went from being pretty out of balance at the bottom there, in bad condition at the bottom, and the rest of it was in unsatisfactory level, up to the right hand side here. The spine is in excellent condition. Aura went way up. It just really went up. Chakras went almost to the top. Again, I did have the chakra balance card in, so that's a good testament to that chakra balance card. And the meridians went way up. The heart was still the lowest, but it's way up in the brown compared to 6%, went up to 57, and everything else basically went into the green and balanced out. So this is a good report. We're going to do a lot of different people next week. We hope to do a lot of testing in this area between before and after. And again, this is the same amount of microwave radiation going off of the computer and going from the router and also from my phone. So check out the Chio. I would definitely get a ChiOrganizer, even if you just get the economy model. The economy model works very well as well. You don't get to put the holograms inside of it, but it does the EMF protection, and you can look at some of the blood studies and different studies that we've done. We've done a ton of different studies on this. This is just one more that just shows you. So check out the ChiOrganizer at ChiOrganizer.com, and definitely get at least one ChiOrganizer before this 5G hits the streets. I mean, it's out there. They're building it up, but it hasn't been turned on in most places yet. They've turned it on in places in England and in Switzerland, and I'm getting reports from people that are really not happy about these frequencies, and more people are getting the ChiOrganizer now. So I would definitely get one while the getting's good, as they say.